In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock settings and apps on Android phone. The most robust way to do this is the secure folder method, and it creates an encrypted space that requires a separate password or fingerprint. So what we want to do firstly is go over to our settings application, go ahead and find security and privacy, and then go ahead and find secure folder. Then once you go ahead and find it, make sure to go ahead and set it up and sign in with your Samsung account. Then what I can do is find my secure folder right here in my app selector. So go ahead and open it up. Then it's just going to ask you for your PIN. Then as you can see, I have my current secure folder. If you want to add an application to lock it, press the plus icon. It's going to show you all your installed applications. So let's say I wanted to lock Google TV. Go ahead and press add. It's then going to be locked. Then whenever you try and open it, you can hide the secure folder icon so it doesn't appear in your app drawer at all. And when you try and open it, it's going to need a separate password to open it up. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.